Getting a group of people to the same skill level or getting them all updated on important matters can be hard to achieve. Emails can be easily missed or ignored, and measuring if everyone really understands what is going on can be tough. Since working with us and our software, you've probably heard the term campaign. But what is a campaign? A campaign is a series of messages sent over a period of time. A campaign can be about anything: a specific product, like Microsoft Teams, specific updates about your company or new product features, or something fun, like memes of cats at work.
Hi, Herbert.
These campaign messages can contain all forms of question and answer pairings. A campaign message can include a video, an e-learning, a GIF, a link, or even a message with just text. For example, you could send a campaign all about Microsoft Teams meetings. You could then send an e-learning about holding your first meeting in one message, and in another, send a link to an article about Teams meeting updates. Or maybe you have company training videos that new employees need to watch. These videos can be sent through a campaign too. Everyone starting at your organization immediately gets a buddy they can ask their questions to and receive important information from. Pretty easy, right? Each campaign message you send could also include a quiz to check their knowledge. It's up to you what to include. Because campaigns are sent over a period of time, you set the timings. Maybe you want your series of messages sent over a period of 2 weeks, a month, a quarter, etc. Remember that example about Microsoft Teams meetings? Let's say you send a message about meetings every week for 1 month. Or with new employees, maybe those videos are more pressing and you decide to send one out to them every day for 2 weeks. With campaigns, you are also able to add a target group. A target group is a specific set of users that you want to receive the campaign messages. With the example campaign about Teams meetings, you could create a target group that contains employees you know will conduct meetings, such as managers or team leaders. You can then also filter on their team's skill level and create a Get Started with Teams campaign, so they're up to speed in no time. For the new employee training example, the target group here is nice and easy: the new employees. Once you've added the content details to your messages, set your timings, and added your target group if necessary, you're ready to send out the campaign. There are multiple ways to start your campaign. You can start it by clicking the green Start button, by connecting a campaign to a specific chatbot button, or by connecting a campaign to a specific Q&A pair. So, when a user clicks on a specific chatbot button, a campaign will automatically be triggered, or when a user asks a specific question, the paired answer is the automatic campaign trigger. Once started, because our app is in Microsoft Teams, the people in the target group will be notified of a campaign message via a Teams notification. And now you know a little bit more about campaigns. We hope this video has helped and you're ready to start thinking of campaigns you want to try out. Happy creating!